All right, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. Do another auction review, and today we have a 2008 Range Rover Sport L320. But it's a supercharged, right? It's at 143,000 miles. It's at auction in Fredericksburg, Virginia. It's got 3 owners, and I don't usually do sports, but we haven't talked about sports for a while because no one talks about Range Rover Sports. I don't hate them. I think they drive better than L322s, to be honest with you. Yeah, it doesn't have the same, I guess, aesthetic overall appeal, but those things sold well, and they actually drive very well. They've got the active sway bar system for some better handling. They sit lower to the ground. They've kind of have more of an LR3 feel in the steering box. Oh, look, POS Auto Sales. I like that. Piece of shit auto sales. Wonderful. That's the one selling this. And this one's got a little body kit on it. It has the dot. It's called the dot 2 or dot 3 wheels on it. It doesn't look not factory. So this one has, it's got a roof rack. It looks like it could use a little bit of cleaning up, but it's still got the 4.2 supercharged, a great motor. Not too many owners. It's got tires. It's got paint. Again, the body kit's not amazing, but I don't hate it. This wouldn't really necessarily be an off-roader, even though with off-road guys with a little lift kit, I've seen them with an ARB. They look mean. Honestly, it almost has a better or more Range Rover Classic-y shape to it than the L322 because it's a little smaller, which is not a bad thing when it comes to off-road ability. This crack in the bumper is unfortunate, but hey, if you're buying it as a cheap car, it's not really the end of the world. Again, it's an 08, so it's not the last model year, so it's still not really facelift all that much. The taillight's a little different. I do like the dot 2 or dot 3 wheels, a little bumper kit with the dual exhausts on the back. Again, it's not aesthetically hateful, but it could definitely be better. But I don't hate sports. I think they would make a great daily. That's what they were purchased for. But this awesome soft leather interior I've never seen before. I've never seen that color. That's kind of what made this thing stand out. I don't know if it's a special edition, but it definitely has, I guess, the HSE or the higher trim soft leather package and the, I guess, blacky carbon fiber wood. Dash layout, it's aged, but I think it's a utilitarian. It looks smart. Everything seems to be on. There's no description. There's no CR. There's no anything besides this is the car. If you want it, you can buy it type deal. Backseat looks like it's never been sat in, but again, this really would just be for the price is what it would be. I don't know what it sold for. It didn't sell. You can't see the coolant or anything like that, but it's nice and dusty in there like you want to see it. So, would you buy a 320 Sport? Let me know. We only offered the 4.4 and the 4.2 supercharged V8s in this configuration in the States, so I'd like to hear. I don't hate them. Not my first choice, but, if you want to see more of these, let me know. Catch you on the next one.